started going in his younger years. Always wished it would be his life.
Good morning. Having a beautiful hair day. Looking gorgeous here. We are on the boat in Hastings again for this weekend. And we're going to do one of the things that brought us to Hastings. There's lots of things happening off the lake throughout the year, throughout Rice Lake. And this weekend is the Roseneath Fair. So there's quite a few fairs throughout the year around Rice Lake and around Hastings. Like within very close proximity, like we're talking 10 minutes, you've got the Roseneath Fair, you've got Norwood Fair, Warkworth Fair. They're all about, 10-minute car drive. So if you are a seasonal slip person, easy to drive there. And if it's a 10-minute drive, if you're coming through on the Trent, if it's a 10-minute drive, that means what? It's a 30-40 minute bike ride. So those are some fairs. And then of course you've got Campbellford Fair, where you could just stop on your boat and moor up right in Campbellford. So anyways, this weekend we're hitting Roseneath Fair. As I said, it's a 10-minute drive. There's supposed to be truck pull, tractor pull. There's going to be a demolition derby, even lawnmower races, and all the amusement rides, all that kind of cool stuff. So the kids are going to get a kick out of that. So that's what we're doing this weekend. So stay tuned. Not a fan of the rocking.
Nothing's gonna stop you, just go on, believe you should love the life you live.
Oh shit.
Take a deep breath, look up and you'll see you should love the life you live. Nothing can stop you, just wait and you'll see you should love the life you live.
Good morning. Today we're gonna go home, but it was a good weekend. We didn't do any real boating, but it's nice to be in a spot where there's lots of things to do off the water. Sometimes it's nice for a bit of a change. But no, the Roseneath Fair was pretty fun. The kids had a blast. The Derby was kind of cool. Some redneck fun there. But no, it was a fun time, as you guys would have seen. And we're gonna clean up and get out of here. We are, I guess it's October the 1st today, so we're still on the water. The boats come out, I guess, Thanksgiving weekend. For Canada, that's what, the 13th, the 12th or 13th of October. So there's not much time left. There's not many trips left for this year. So I'm hoping to get out maybe once more, because the leaves are turning. So you can see over there, I'll try and zoom in. You know, the leaves are starting to change, which makes for beautiful boating scenery. And we're hoping to maybe get out for one more trip, but it's getting pretty cold at nights, so it's nice to have the shore power and the heat, but we do have our generators, so maybe one more trip. I don't know, but for this weekend we're done. Roseneath Fair was fun, and we're out of here.